When you speak English, do people sometimes say you sound flat or robotic, even when your grammar is perfect?
That's because English isn't just about words, it's about music. The rhythm, tone, and emotion behind every sentence make you sound alive and confident.
Exactly. Welcome to day 5 of our 7 Days to Sound Like a Native Speaker challenge. Today we're going to master intonation, emotion, and expression, the real secrets to sounding natural in English.
So relax, warm up your voice, and let's train your speaking melodies together.
Let's start with this. Why do many learners sound robotic even when they know the right words?
Because they speak every sentence in the same tone. English isn't flat, it rises and falls like waves.
Right. Compare these two. I'm so happy for you. I'm so happy for you. The words are the same, but one sounds alive, the other sounds like an answering machine.
Intonation carries emotion. It tells listeners if you're excited, bored, confident, or sarcastic, even before they understand every word.
English usually has a rise fall pattern. Your voice goes up on the important part, then comes down at the end.
For example, do you like coffee? Yes, I do.
Exactly. The rise shows curiosity, the fall shows certainty.
Now repeat with us. Feel the movement of your voice, not just the words.
Do you like coffee? Yes, I do. Let's play with emotion. I'll say one sentence in 3 ways: happy, sad, and surprised. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. I can't believe it.
Notice how your pitch, energy, and speed change automatically with emotion. That's what natives do without thinking.
Now your turn. Pick one sentence and say it in 3 different moods.
Let's do a quick cafe scene again, but this time, focus on tone and feeling.
Hey, welcome back. You look tired. Long day?
Oh, totally. I've been running around since morning. A large coffee, please. Extra strong.
Haha, coming right up. Anything to eat?
Nope, just caffeine. My brain's asleep, but my mouth still works.
Perfect. See how tone and expression make even simple sentences sound natural and fun?
Exactly. You don't need fancy vocabulary, just natural intonation and emotion.
Let's practice 5 short sentences. Listen first, then repeat with the same emotion.
That's amazing. Up arrow. Are you serious? Up down. I really don't know. Down arrow. Wow, that's incredible. Up arrow. I can't wait to see you. Up down.
Good. Don't worry if it feels exaggerated. English is expressive. That's why natives sound alive.
Now shadow the short dialogue. Focus on timing and tone.
Hey, are you coming to the party tonight?
I might. Is everyone going?
Pretty much. You should come. It's gonna be fun.
All right, you convinced me. See you there.
If your voice went up and down naturally, you're already improving your intonation. Remember, your goal isn't to copy every sound perfectly. It's to feel the emotion behind the sentence.
Exactly. English isn't about perfect grammar, it's about energy, emotion, and rhythm.
So next time you speak, think less about correctness and more about connection.
Here's today's task pick any short YouTube clip, movie scene, vlog, or podcast. Listen for 1 minute and mimic the speaker's intonation and emotion.
Record yourself and compare the rhythm. Don't focus on every word, focus on how they sound. Today you learned how to add emotion, variation, and melody to your English.
You practice rising and falling tones, emotional delivery, and expressive rhythm, all key to sounding natural.
And tomorrow we'll move to day 6. real conversation practice, where you'll use these skills in everyday English chats.
You're leveling up fast. Just keep speaking with feeling, not fear.
Because when your words have emotion, your English comes alive. See you in day 6. And remember, sound natural, sound confident, sound like you.